Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Flodesk. Flodesk is a platform that allows its users to create beautiful emails, and they also allow you to create numerous forms as they have easy to edit templates that you can quickly edit and upload onto your website. And also, if you're looking for a platform to sell services or digital products, you can definitely use Flodesk. And by the way, you can get started for completely free, and they do not even require that you log in with a credit card. As you can see, no credit card required. And if in the future you would like to go onto one of their paid plans, if you see you're using the free service and you would like to extend it even further and go onto their paid plans, you can see the different prices right here. And to have access to everything, you can see that it would cost $59. But for now, we'll be exploring their free plan. So all you have to do is tap on try it for free once you're on flodesk.com. After you have done that, you'll be led to another page on which you'll be prompted to log in. And all you have to do is sign up with your email account and you'll create a password. And that's it. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you can see at the top you have emails, forms, workflows, checkouts, audience, and analytics. But the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your initial right here. After you have tapped on that, you're going to tap on Overview. Once you have selected Overview, from here you can simply go over to the left hand menu option, and on the left hand menu option I want you to tap on Branding. After selecting Branding, from here you can upload your logo, and also you can scroll down and choose your brand color, and if you would like to add your company name, you can also do that, and you're also going to add your company address. And by scrolling down further, you will be prompted to enter your social links. And to add your social links, all you have to do is tap on the social media icon that you'd like to add. So let's say, for example, I want to add Instagram. All I'll have to do is tap on Instagram. Then I'll select the Instagram URL and I'm going to tap on Save. Once you have done that, you can go over to the left hand menu option. And if you would like to integrate it with a particular website or platform, you can do that. As you can see right here, you can connect it to Instagram. And also, if you would like to connect it to Shopify, you can. Or if you would like to connect it to Zapier, you can also do that. As you can see, Flodesk offers numerous integration options. But let's go back to the original platform. So we'll tap on the F in the top left hand corner. And from here, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to create emails, also how to create forms, and also their checkout pages. So in the email section, all you'll have to do is tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the plus, you're going to see some template options on the left hand corner right here. So depending on the type of email that you'd like to send, you can see the different options right here. So let's say I want to send an email saying thanks to my subscribers. All you'll have to do is tap on say thanks. Then you can see the different templates that they have right here that you can choose from. And once you have found a template that you like, let's say for example this template, all you have to do is tap on it. Then you're going to tap on customize. After you have selected customize, you are going to be redirected to this page on which you can start editing the email template and add your own personal touch. So you can see how it looks right here. At the top, if you didn't add a logo earlier on, you can add your logo right there. And you can also tap on the plus right here if you would like to add another section, as you can see. And you can also add images, and you have numerous options. You can also change the layout by tapping on layout, and you can choose a different layout if you want. And it's easy to edit the text. All you have to do is tap on the text box. If you would like to change the font style, or if you would like to change the wording or the color, you can also do that. With Flodesk, it's quite easy to edit any section of their email templates or any one of their templates overall. As you can see right here, all you have to do is tap on the section. And if you would like to remove a section, you can simply tap on it. Then you will tap on the trash can to remove it, as you can see right there. And once you are finished, you are going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. And after you have tapped on next, from here, as you can see, who's this email coming from. So you can select right here from name, you could add your name, and then you will simply tap on continue after you have chosen your audience, and you'll be able to send it. Now that I've shown you how to use their email option, let me show you how to use their forms. So you'll tap on forms, then you're going to tap on new form in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on new form, you'll be redirected to this page on which you can see numerous templates you can choose from. As you can see right here, there are numerous templates that you can choose from by simply scrolling down. So if you would like a pop-up image, or if you would like pop-up with image right here in the vertical, all you have to do is select the option. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on customize it. After you have selected customize it, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. So you can see right here, start by typing to find or create a segment. So you can type in anything right here. So let me simply type in test. Then I'll tap on create and then tap on save. After you have done that, you are going to be redirected to this page on which you can add your own personal touch. And again, to change the text section, all you have to do is tap on a particular section. From there, you can change the wording, you can also change the font color and so on from the right hand menu option. And again, you can also add images by tapping on the image section. Then you will tap on upload image, and from there you could upload an image. And also, if you would like to edit the box or the text in the email address section right here, you can. Let's say, for example, instead of just requiring persons to enter their email address, you also want them to add their name. All you have to do is tap on the plus right where you see add in the right hand corner. And let's say I want them to add their first name, you could tap on first name. If you want to add a custom field, you can also do that, as you can see right there. So this is how it looks right now. So you'll add your first name and email address, and also the discount code. You can change the button of, you can change how the button looks, you can change the font style and all of that. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, you can see right here, should we enable double opt-in? So you can select yes or no. After you have done that, you can tap on the circle, display this pop up immediately after 10 seconds, after 30 seconds. So when do you want this to be displayed on your website? Basically, do you want it to be displayed immediately? You can select the option, and you can also tap on the circle right here. Should we show this to return visitors? No. Then you'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can see even more options to specify how you would like it to look. Display success message, or you would like to redirect them to a URL. Then you'll tap on continue again. Once it is finished, all you have to do, as you can see right here, they provide you with a header code. So you'll simply copy this code and paste it in the header of the particular page on your website that you would like it to pop up on. And that's it. So that's how to add their forms to your website. Another thing that you can also do if you would like to create a checkout page, or if you would like to sell a digital product, all you would have to do is tap on checkout from the top menu option. Then let's say I want to sell digital product. From the left hand corner, I'm going to tap on digital product. Then you will see the numerous templates that you can choose from, as you can see right here. And you are going to tap on customize once you have found a template that you like. After tapping on customize, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll now be able to edit the different pages. The first page that you are going to see is the sales page. So to change the text, all you have to do is tap on the text section. Then you can edit the text and all of that. And you can also change the background color if you want. So you can see background color right here. You could tap right there and you could choose a different background color. So let's say I want it to be blue instead of pink. You can do that. You can also edit the button. You can edit any section you want. So if you want to add a new link right there, you can also do that. If you want to change the font or the text, you can do that. And you can also add an image right here. So let's say you were selling an ebook. You could put the ebook cover right here. And next, you're going to tap on checkout. So with this, you'll be able to edit the checkout page. So you can see right here, you can add your company logo. You can also require the information that you'd want from the customer. For example, first name, last name, email address. If you would like to edit that, you can simply tap on the section. And from here, you can choose what you would want. So let's say I don't want to require their last name. I can simply untick that. And you can scroll down, and if you would like to ask customers, add customers who purchase your product to a segment, you can also do that. If you would like to add upsell, you can do that right there. And you can also add contact, you can add testimonial. And if you would like to add discount, you can also set up a discount code. Once they are finished, all you'll have to do is tap on the X. Then, as I said earlier, from here, you can add images if you want, and you can also set the price. And then you will tap on delivery to set up the delivery page. And this is how my delivery page look at the moment. If you would like to change the text section, you can. All you have to do is tap on the particular section that you would like to edit. So let's say I want to change the text section. I can simply tap on the text section. Or if I would like to add an image, I can add the image right here. The only pullback with Flodesk when it comes on to selling digital products or creating a checkout page, it is not available worldwide. It is only available in particular countries. So for example, if I were to tap on publish in the top right hand corner and just give it a few seconds, you can see right there, Flodesk checkout is coming to you soon. They are partnering with Stripe, as you can see right here, and you can see the countries that it is available in. At the moment, it is only available in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand, with more countries available soon. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.